Libukeka ligango omunye umhlathi itshe esifundazweni eGauteng okubangwayo nokwenza ezafinyelela kwangqingetshe izingxoxo umqulo wabe uthi undunankulu uzoba ngowe-ANC. I-ANC ithole isikhundla zabaphathiswa beminyango eziyisikhombisa ezintathu ze-DA. Usomlomo vele ku-ANC iphini kube le-DA kepha i-DA yashaya ingwitshi khwebu kulomqulo.
The first time we thought that everything is agreed, it's fine, there's no problem. The only problem that we needed to attend was the allocation of portfolios. But when they wanted to move to what our SG says is 541, it meant that we needed to postpone the announcement to accommodate them.
Unobhala jikelele we-ANC uthi usihlalo wesigungu esiphezulu se-DA uHelen Zille uthi bancamela ukuba sezihlalweni zeqembu eliphikisayo eGauteng.
And they said also through Helen Zille yesterday that they are prepared to go back to the benches if ever they are not part and parcel or what they want is not approved.
I-ANC izosebenzisana nawo wonke amaqembu ayingxenye eshamthetho ukwakha uhulumeni obambiswana eGauteng.
We still want the DA and all other parties that have agreed with the statement of intent here in Gauteng has agreed to continue to participate and to be part of government.
Ikhabhinethi laseGauteng lizomenyezelwa khona kusihlwa nje.